Daily routine in 50 sentences. 1. I wake up at 6 a.m. 2. I stretch and take a deep breath. 3. I pray Fajr prayer. 4. I recite Quran for 15 minutes. 5. I exercise for 30 minutes. 6. I shower and get dressed. 7. I have a healthy breakfast. 8. I check my phone for messages. 9. I plan out my day. 10. I head to work or school. 11. I drive carefully to work or school. 12. I arrive at work or school. 13. I start my work or study. 14. I take short breaks. 15. I pray Duhur prayer. 16. I have lunch. 17. I take a short walk. 18. I resume work or study. 19. I attend meetings or classes. 20. I work on projects or tasks. 21. I pray ASR prayer. 22. I finish work or study. 23. I head home. 24. I relax for a bit. 25. I pray Maghrib prayer. 26. I have dinner. 27. I spend time with family. 28. I help with household chores. 29. I pray Isha prayer. 30. I watch TV or read a book. 31. I learn something new. 32. I exercise for 15 minutes. 33. I meditate for 5 minutes. 34. I review my day. 35. I plan for tomorrow. 36. I wind down. 37. I take a warm bath. 38. I get ready for bed. 39. I sleep at 10 p.m. 40. I'm grateful for the day. 41. I reflect on my actions. 42. I forgive myself for mistakes. 43. I set intentions for tomorrow. 44. I feel content. 45. I drift off to sleep. 46. My sleep is sound. 47. I sleep for 8 hours. 48. My alarm wakes me up. 49. I start a new day. 50. I'm ready for whatever comes next. Subscribe with Sperify if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching Glowing Star.